Okay, let's look quickly at some genital embryology. It's kind of confusing, so let's just hit what the default would be. Okay, everyone knows that female is the default, like it or not, but default development is going to be slightly counterintuitive because there is a change that has to occur. So it's not default, just stays the same the whole time. Default is when the mesonephric duct, which is there during earlier development, is going to disappear, and then the paramesonephric duct is going to develop. And what do we have now? Female. Okay, so what happens? Mesonephric duct disappears, paramesonephric duct develops. Okay, now what happens in the male? They have an SRY gene. Y, you can remember, it's on the Y chromosome. It's coding for what we call the testes determining factor. Now, what's going to be present that will make the paramesonephric duct not develop? Mullerian inhibiting substance. Alright, Mullerian inhibiting substance suppresses paramesonephric duct development. Okay? Now in the male, you're also going to have increased androgens, and you're going to have the development of the mesonephric ducts. Whereas we saw in the female, the mesonephric duct had disappeared, and we had the paramesonephric duct developing. Here, we have suppression of the paramesonephric duct, and the present mesonephric duct will now develop, okay, via increased androgens. We can look down below then quickly. Mesonephric, or the Wolffian duct, which are synonyms, is going to develop into the male internal structures. Everything except the prostate. Okay, so just remember, everything is going to develop from the mesonephric or Wolffian duct. Seminal vesicles, epididymis, ejaculatory duct, and the ductus deferens. There's a good mnemonic there called SEED, S-E-E-D, clearly as the first letter of each of those words. Paramesonephric duct, or Mullerian duct, is going to develop into the fallopian tube, the uterus, and part of the vagina. You'll then see later which parts are going to form what, but right now let's just focus on the female and the male, default versus non-default. Okay? Good luck.